In this video, I'll show you how you can check how many hours you played a specific Roblox game. Now first you want to head over to RoPro and install it from your Chrome web store. Don't worry, it has many users and good rating and is completely safe. From in here you want to add it and come over to your Roblox and reload the browser. Now if you see this little R icon up here, it means you have it installed. You want to find your most played right here. It should be just here. If it's not, just close it down and open it again. From in here it's going to ask you to verify your account. Simply click on verify and choose verify from in-game. There's a little icon you can press and it's going to open up this one where you're just going to click play and it's going to open up your Roblox and there should be an emoji code and you're going to verify it. Now once you've done that, you should be verified, so you can restart your page again and see your most played. Now then what you want to do is find the game that you want to check. So let's say just this one. And from in here it should say played for how many minutes. Now if I played this for 1 hour, obviously it will say 60 minutes. And that's basically how you can check it. Now I didn't play this one, so it says 0 minutes. But that's how you can check it in Roblox. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.